If you want to learn more, how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on WIPH-ELITE. We'll run an 8-week session from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term principles behind. If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on WISE versus PH. We'll run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind. Hello guys, good evening everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in on this live trading here on Wise Investors PH. Grabe, di ko magana yung Spotify ko, ayaw no? Ayaw siya mag-play. What's happening with my music?
Honestly, kalimutan ko may live ako. Sabi ko, bilis pala ng oras. Pag-take ko 9:30 na. Oh my God. Let me check my audio here. Okay, I have audio here. Let me turn on my virtual DJ. Okay, the market actually, as expected, no? Ang ganda ng bounce na ginagawa ng market. So, I really hope na mag-sustain to. Hopefully, magkaroon ng volume ang market as it, grabe, no? As in, sana mag-breakout siya tonight. Ayan, isang napakagandang prayer ko sana na hopefully, the market will do a breakout tonight. Let me check yung mga positions ko nga. Okay, how about this one? Tingnan mo yung positions natin. Maliliit lang. Sana tonight, ang market will give us a very, very good bounce later, hopefully. Sarap din mag-check. Okay, let me check also there. And also hopefully the crypto world. Let me just fix my camera there. Okay, good. Tingnan natin. Ayaw kasi eh. Ayan. Okay. Ayun. Alright. Lakas nun ah. Ayan. So, hindi ko pa na-share. Honestly, nagulat ako. 9:30 na pala guys. As in super. Ayan. Okay. Hopefully, maano to. Ayaw talaga nung ano eh. Ayaw ng Spotify ko. What's happening with the Spotify freak? Anyway. So, okay. Wala mo tayong music ngayon. Just let us know kung na ano kayo. Ito na lang muna. Okay. Let's go. Alright. If the market, yan, ano tayo sa YouTube na lang. Na ano yung mga pangalan sa YouTube na pwede natin? Thank you so much for watching from Canada there. It's 9 a.m. there, right? Almost the opening of the market din, no? Ang tama yung mga free music, copyright. Yan, okay. Ito na lang patutugin natin. Let's just chill out using playlists. Yan. Okay, just hold on, guys. DMC, no copyright music. There you go. Okay, let's use this YouTube. Ayaw, no? Grabe. Pang disco naman yun. Chill lang tayo, chill. Okay, guys. How you guys doing? I hope you had a good portfolio this year. I hope kahit even with ano yung nilalaro nyo, hopefully, no? Hopefully you guys also Twitch. Okay, to. Yan, PSP 5. Tignan natin yun. Nagsira yung ano ko? Ayan, okay. Alright, okay na to. Check natin ang US 100. It's 9:39 in the evening. Tingnan natin kung ito yung gustong gawin ng market as it goes. Bounce from the moving average 20. If it's gonna bounce directly, breaking that slightly correction on the past few days. Hopefully, market will give that out to us. For XTX 500, trying to actually bounce as well as it goes to this level, which is this level, no? 4790. Tingnan natin if it's gonna break out tonight. Very, very crucial price area. Ang prayer ko lang nito is magkaroon lang slight breakout ng konti. Better na lang din talaga siya na magtuloy-tuloy because we are near the Santa Claus rally next week. Hopefully hindi. If not, nako, medyo ang babagsakan nito around this area all again. So we're gonna see that. We're gonna check that. Okay, later. Let's go to the intraday. Today, honestly, I can see some potential na mag-breakout siya. We had initial intraday here. We're gonna open in the next 1 hour. Hopefully, tingnan natin on the 1 hour chart here. Oversold level. Tingnan natin kung magkaroon to dito ng bounce from this area later as the market. So ang crucial ni market dito later, if it's gonna break out, it's the next 1 hour will go here, then opening will be like that. Because there is usually statistics that 80% of the chance on the open market, pag open ng market nagre-reverse. 80%. Kung pababa siya, aangat siya 80% usually. Kaya minsan masarap din mag-trade ng open sessions, especially if you're in doing Forex as well. Yan, isa. Okay, let's go to crypto. Yan, gusto ko makita mga crypto nangyari dito. Hindi ko na-check to for a while. Ayun. The Bitcoin is bouncing but still not yet bullish. Still not a buy signal for me. Despite that bounce on the 4%, still not a bounce. Still not a buy signal for me. It's still retesting the moving average 200 in general. It's still retesting. Ito, natin to. Yan. Baba natin mga indicator ko. Yan. Am I live there? Okay, good. Okay. Nagre-retest pa rin siya, so hindi pa rin talaga tayo bumili. Hindi pa rin tayo. Medyo nag-aaway pa rin yung bulls and bear at that area here. Etong area, nag-aaway pa rin yan. So, hindi pa rin siya, for me, hindi pa rin yan totally buy signal. So, please, don't buy. Okay? Wag po tayo basta bumili dyan. Especially, yan. Ang ko, mga malakas na tinitingnan ko, ito pa din eh. 44, 34. Depende kung anong gagawin ng Bitcoin dito sa area na to. So, let's see. Let's see. Anong gagawin niya? Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy. Isa rin yan dapat nating tingnan eh. For now, hindi pa talaga for me talaga buy. Tingnan mo yung trend line. Oh. Look at the trend line there. Breakdown of the trend line plus the retest. Consolidating before. Deciding what to do. So, di alam ng market saan siya pupunta for now. So, for now, wala tayong gagawin for now. Tingnan natin ang aking Spotify. Alright. Good morning there, Axel. From, I think you're also from US, right? Okay, let's check natin ang Ethereum. One of my favorite as well. For Ethereum, it's also bouncing from the support. Maganda rin naman pinapakita ng Ethereum. Honestly, kung itong Ethereum na to, honestly, pwede eh. Pwede na siya i-test buy, oh. Sa itsura niya. Yun nga lang ang problem. Hindi mo rin makita sa Ethereum kung the whole sentiment is there, but from this sideways here, it means to say that it's actually starting to hold. And then means to say that it's starting to hold. So, and also, this area is starting to hold. So, titingnan natin, medyo may kalakasan na siya. Ang gusto lang natin makita dito is, siguro konti pa. Konti pa siguro, one more. Give it time to breathe further. Give it consolidate further. Let it go there. Bala sa buhay niya, bumalik siya dyan. Gusto ko itong matapos. Unless, i-breakout niyan, das dito, magkaroon dito. So, tingnan natin kung yun ang gagawin ng market. For now, siguro, ayoko muna. Hindi muna siguro. Para sure. Though mataas ang probability ang I have money, may pera ako dito eh. Check natin. Sige, titignan ako. Pag-isipan ko mabuti. Okay. Binance. Ano yung Spotify ko talaga ayaw, no? Okay. For Binance, actually, it's the same eh. It's the same for Binance. It's just that the main difference with Binance is retesting din siya. Mas maganda lang yung structure ni Ethereum. Kung titignan nyo. But check na ang CRO coin and Shiba Inu. Yeah, we're gonna do that as well late in a while. Isa din na titignan ko was XRP. After the bounce, kulang pa talaga. Titignan ko rin is Sol. Etong Sol, malapit na sa buy signal ko. Malapit na ito sa Sol. Ilang percent na lang to? 8% down. Tingnan natin. Hindi pa. Tingnan natin si Sol. Malapit na siya pumunta sa buy signal ko, si Sol. I wanted to go further. Then tingnan natin kung ibabalik ni Sol to. Papunta dyan. For now, parang malapit na siya. So far, malapit na siya. Si Sol. Check natin si last. Ito mga XTZ. Pangit XTZ. I don't like XTZ. Okay, let's go to the chat box for your crypto. Let's check at CRO coin Shiba Inu. Okay. Natin to. Shiba Inu. Ito, Shiba Inu. Ito, malapit. Ano si Shiba Inu? Nagpapakitang gila siya konti, Price action wise. Actually, giving us a... Ito na lang gawin natin kay Shiba Inu, guys, Tingnan natin kung mag-breakout to. Malapit na. Malapit magkakaalaman anong gagawin ni Shiba Inu. We can actually sense some divergence there. 1 and 2. Divergence ba daw? Yeah, pedo. Tingnan natin yung 4-hour chart. Wala naman divergence din. Pero may meron siyang may gusto siyang sabihin. It's either two things. I-breakout mo ako. Yun ang sabihin mo sa akin, bibilin na natin to. So far. Gusto siya sabihin in a possible this weekend for Shiba Inu. For now, observe muna natin. Honestly kasi nasa supply zone siya eh. Pero the good thing about it, your sellers are starting to drop out. Medyo nawawala yung sellers. Tingnan natin if it's gonna sustain. Kung magkaroon ng buy signal din, nagkaroon ng breakout, maybe we can consider. Kung ite-test buy nyo to, pwede eh. Konti lang. Huwag masyado madami. Kung bibili kayo, konti lang. Sa structure niya ha. Structure niya, itsura niya. Let's go to CRO. CRO USD. CRO. Okay, for CRO, medyo ingat tayo konti for CRO. Gusto natin mag-breakout siya dito. Okay, gusto natin mag-breakout muna siya dyan and hold the price there because this is a very strong supply. Strong supply to. Very strong supply. So I would suggest wait for this breakout here. Tingnan natin as it goes up, as it builds its lower low. If it's gonna break out this one, maybe we can consider trading this one. Pero for now, observe ka muna. You're stuck in between eh pag kay Icro. So very strong yung yung itsura niya. So don't if you're gonna do this trend line here, hindi siya masyado kasi yung trend line nito is strike through. Okay. Katecoin sir, P2 play to earn na rin siya. Lot X. Sige, let's go to Lot X first. Wala akong Lot X. Ano ibig sabihin ng Lot X? Katecoin muna. Katecoin, wala. Katecoin. Tetherus ba tayo or Katecoin mismo? Ito na lang. BNB to eh. Ano ba ticker nun? Tama ba yung ticker ko? Katecoin. Ano bang Katecoin dito? Kate USDT, okay. Wala eh. Wala ang Kate USDT. Hindi ko makita. Dito na tayo sa crypto. Ayan. Kate USDT. Wala akong makita ang Kate USDT, brother. Wala akong makita. Di mamaya na lang. Team Meta. TLM Meta. Balikan natin yan. Okay, TLM Meta. May kinagaya ba yan sa TLM Meta dito sa ito lang, no? Ito ba yun? TLM USDT? Same lang? Okay, para chart ko na to kahapon, ah. Okay, for this one, safe to say that you can actually test buy. I can see some potential buy there. There's a divergence coming there on the 4-hour chart. You wanted to make sure that it's gonna have a full breakout before buying. Okay, don't prematurely buy. Use this price action here. If it's gonna break out, then test buy. But if it's not, tingnan mo kung mag-hold yung support ulit dun sa baba. You are in the range support on the daily. Timing your entry on the daily chart maybe can really be a good entry. So I would suggest to do that because yun nga, ang crucial kasi dito you have a head and shoulder pattern na basag, tapos may double top pa on the top. This is your neckline. Pag bumigay yan, malalim. So, especially support siya. Yeah, okay? But on the daily chart, you are in the support. Very good yung itsura niya. Okay? Meta. I'm not... Ang ganda rin ng music ko, ah. Napapasin din ako dito. Ako ulit dito, eh, no? Anyway, for Meta, I would not suggest to buy this one. I can see some momentum going down. I want this to hold on this level here. Etong level na yan. For it to consider to be trying to buy or not. So, trying to create a base on this level. So, may momentum pababa na itsura niya. So, medyo malakas pa yung selling nito. So, Magkakaiba lang yan if it's gonna form a sideways here to support the price at that certain level. So, wala pa tayong nakikitang ganun. Iwas muna tayo for this one. Okay? O, yung Kate na yan. Yung Kate. Wala talagang Kate eh. Wala. Yung Kate na yan. Di ko makita yung Kate mo, bro. Yan. Parang gusto kong bumili ng Ethereum. Something is telling me bumili ka ng Ethereum. Parang di pa talaga eh. Hindi mo na. Okay mo na. Matic. Alas ito Matic, if you can remember, nasa ano natin to, nasa watchlist natin, no? Sabi ko nga, the sentiment, we just need the sentiment to come to us. Medyo hindi pa yung ang maganda sa ang ano sa kanya is nagke-create na kasi ito ng multiple divergence sa weekly eh. Okay, medyo momentum wise baka maipit ka, yun yung sinasabi ko dito. Pero if you're just gonna go to the price structure, mahilig siya ganito guys, mahilig yung ganito niya. Ito yung structure na nakikita ko dito. So it wanted to go like this. So you will follow this like this. So medyo mahilig siya sa ganyang structure, momentum sideways, box box, box box. So ngayon you are in the retest on the lower box which is a confirmed support. Considering ang entry on the 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart may be considered ngayon. Where's the entry? Balik dito. Okay, balik dyan ang entry nito. Ngayon, entry to, if you're gonna tell me na may ganyan, I don't think so because this is a sideways eh. Hindi natin pwedeng entry rin, sabihin natin, this is a reversal. No, it's not. Di an uptrend. So, let's not entry that way because you are near the midline resistance there. Balik dito sa ilalim. So, base structure niya. We will base the trading on its structure. So, ngayon, abang ka for our chart. Yan ang ibig ko sabihin doon. Lupit ng music ko pang Friday. Sira kasi Spotify ko eh. Ayos to O, diba? Electro Dance. Okay. USD. Nakakabuhay yung music ba guys? USD. Honestly, USD is a buy signal today. Let's check it out. Price action wise, bounce trade. Pwede bounce trade sa USD. Ada Cardano, let's sa buy point today. Nag-hold yung price in fairness. Pwede considered. Pwede siya i-consider i-test today. Within the next hour or within this 30-minute level time frame there. Pwede pwede. In fairness din niya. Let's see. Let's see kay Ada. Pero ipag-iisipan ko. Pero maganda yung itsura niya. Binagsak, lower candle, RSI. Very good. Pwede siya pag-isipan. Mapapaisip ang bilin siya. Nasa 50-50 ako, pero okay siya. Ako siya tingnan in fairness. LRC. 9:55 in the evening. LRC, wag muna tayo dito. Medyo we can sense a lose of momentum there. Okay, shorting this may be a good position. Shorting this, no? Pag bumigay yan, papababa din siya. Wag muna. Wag na lang una dito, no? Okay. Sila na. Titingnan ko iba eh. May mga gusto ko hinahanap ko eh. Ito malapit na talaga to eh. Polka dot. Dot, no? Polka. Pangit din. Ayoko din ito. Sa ilalim ko abangan si Polka dot. Anyway, okay. So, ang mga nakita ko is ADA, Ethereum. Gusto nga pabili ng Ethereum eh. Sabi ni Ethereum, bilhin mo na ako. Tingnan natin to. Oh, sabi ni Ethereum, bilhin na daw siya eh. Okay, ang pangit ng kay Ethereum is this, guys. Oh. Ito lang yung hindi ko gusto kasi kay Ethereum. That's rising wedge na structure. Kung may bibigay na isang support dyan, mahuhulog yan ng bagsak. Yan hindi ko gusto sa kanya. Tapos, ang hindi ko gusto sa kanya, ito. So, may lose of momentum din sa RSI level. So, kaya pinag-iisipan ko mabuti. Kasi baka price manipulation lang to eh. Yun ang iniibig sabihin eh. Naghihintay lang ng liquidity tapos ibabagsak. So, yun yung isa kong di kaya medyo dalawang isip ako on a weekly basis. Tapos tayo kay Mana. For that, no? Ano pa bang iba? Check natin yung iba. Tingnan ko iba. Tingnan natin ibang crypto. Wala na kasi iba eh. Hindi rin kagandahan yung iba. Ano pa may mga catalyst na alam nyo? Parang yung Matic ay may catalyst. Decentralize. Sabay si decentralized na pangalan mo ha? Mana. Okay, si Mana. Ito, Mana. Okay, Mana. Si Mana. Mana sitting 250 ah. Fairness ah. If we're gonna do a Fibonacci there, that's a 0.5 level. Diba? Ganda rin tsura niya eh. No? Price action wise, staying din sa buy point. It's just that ang di ko lang gusto kay dito, medyo maano pa siya eh. Unstable pa yung presyo sa ilalim. Pero pwede i-test ba eh. Oh. Pwede i-test ba eh. No? Decentralize. Malaro nga to. Lagi nga tayo dito ng ano. Meron pa tayong indicator na 8MA. Pwede ba 8MA? Meron ba tayo 8MA? 8MA. 7MA. Meron ba 7MA? Ba yun? Tingnan natin ah. Tanggalin muna to MA na to. Dami ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May gusto akong gawin eh. Teka, tingnan lang. May gagawin ako ah. Ilang EMA to? EMA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 lang eh. O, 6 lang. Huwag to. Pangit. Okay. Okay. Tanggal ko kaya itong 5. Ayun, may yan. Anyway. Gala, ONT, Luna. Luna. Pwede rin to Luna. Check natin. For Luna, I don't suggest playing this pa for now. You are actually trading the momentum there. Wala kasing momentum yung market. So baka hindi to mag-sustain. I doubt that this will sustain. Of course, it will depend kung mag-break out tong area na to. So hindi siya, don't play this one kasi medyo wala kasing momentum yung market. Kung magkaroon ng mag-break out, possible. Pero hindi, I doubt. I'd rather wait to hintay ko yan dyan or MA 20. So I don't like that one for now. Gala. We still have a few minutes. Mga bagong ano, no? Hindi rin ano din eh. Delikado din yung mga itsura nila price structure wise. Hindi pa nagde-decide saan pupunta. Oh, ayan, no? Nasa resistance levels talaga siya. So nakakatakot siyang entran, guys. No, though may support na hold, malakas na support. Gusto natin pure reversal na mangyari. Hindi ko pa entran yung mga ganito, nakakatakot pa. Breakdown. Magkitawa niyo, oh. Support, breakdown, retest, support, baka mag-breakdown ulit to. Dito na yung salo. So we're wanted to make sure na mag-reverse muna siya bago natin tingnan. Gala, ONT. Tapos tayo dyan. XRP, tapos tayo kay XRP. XRP, wala. I don't want to create a position for XRP. It's going down further. Dito ako bibili. Ilalim ako bibili dyan. I will wait for this here. Maybe a bounce. Tapos na to eh. Babagsak to eh. Pag sinalo to, pwede. Pero dito ako, mas kampante ako bumili dito. For XRP. Diyan ako bibili. Hindi ko bibili niyan kahit may case and or not. That's a fail retest. Pababa pa yan. Momentum. Okay. ENT, BOAT, BTT. Last few tayo, guys. Okay. Kindly share this live, guys. Requesting everyone to share this live so we can, of course, maging party-party tayo ngayong gabi. Ang ganda na pa naman ng music ko. Ako lang nag-i-enjoy sa music ko, guys. Okay. Alright. Dito tayo si BTT. BTT. BTT, no? It's not a buy for me. You are a possible fail retest. Possible fail retest ka ngayon on a sideways. Huwag mong papasukin to. Delikado ka. Okay, delikadong pasok dito. Huwag kang magbabuy. Short may be considered at this range. At this range. So, wala. For now, hold. Wala kang gagawin. If buy ka ha, if buy. Link. Support levels. Di rin. Di rin sigurado si Link, guys. Tingnan natin kung mag-hold tong presyo na to. Itong bounce, it's just a bounce eh. Hindi ko alam sa kanya, it's really just a bounce, you know, yung we're talking about. I just wanted to do a bounce trade. Tapos, hindi pa niya alam kung babagsak pa siya todo or magsa-sideways. Nandun pa siya na point. Hindi pa siya sigurado. Itong bounce na yan, possible dead cat bounce pa yan. So, hindi pa natin nakikita. So, for now, for Link, wala pa. Halos majority are the same eh. Medyo hindi pa sila totally same talaga when it comes to the structure ng market. Hindi pa. MKR. Okay, for MKR. Okay, for MKR, ito for itsura nito medyo tahimik ng konti. Tradable, yes, tradable. Maybe I consider buy today. Okay, maybe an entry of, I'll give you an entry. Buy 1, buy 2. Within this range. Ang mangyayari dito, most likely, bagsak dito, sasaluhin dyan, aangat. Bagsak dyan, babagsak dito, dito. So, pili ka dyan, dito, or dito. Today. Huwag mo mamadaliin. Meron siyang possible sideways play. Ranging play on the daily chart. Sa itsura niya ngayon, no? But if you're conservative enough, better to really wait it there. Sa itsura niya. Okay. Let me just check a few Mag-check na ako ng few market ko. Ayun. Buti binenta ko to. Bumababa pa talaga siya. Okay. Grabe yung USD. Sideways ng todo. Naghihintay ng catalyst. Naghihintay ng catalyst yung USD, oh. Gustong bumaba, ayaw nang umakyat, ayaw na rin bumaba, pero walang gustong gawin. May ganun minsan sa Forex, alam mo, inaabot ng linggo. Ilang linggo, ganyan, no? Buwan. Bad trip ka eh. Tagal eh. Tagal mo naka-hold. Nabuburyo ka. Okay, so still consideration ko, a few things. ADA, Mana for specific trade, Ethereum. And Solana for a swing trade. Swing trade lang. Maybe here, considered kay Solana. Maybe hanggang dito lang. Konti lang. For that level. So, ilang percent ito? 7% pwede na yan for Solana. So, wala tayong Wala masyadong play, medyo rough play yung mga nangyayari. Mas hindi kasi mas totally uptrend lahat eh. Lahat into correction, lahat into bounce trade. Wala tayong makikita. Except for Ethereum eh. Ethereum lang yung maganda yung tsura eh. Iran eh, medyo ganun din eh. Delikado din. Anyway, let's go to the stock market. It's 10:07. Let's do a sectoral rotation. Let's go to the chat box there. Luna, Prof. Tapos na tayo kay Luna. Okay. ENG, JP Labauer. I think we're done of all your requests. I want to see where the market was yesterday. I want to see where it did. After natin mag-live yesterday, I closed my computer. I didn't trade anymore. After. Okay, unahin natin. Yesterday on Finviz Screener Groups. Okay, yesterday, it was consumer cyclical that really was down really fast, no? I told you guys, yun, financial market is really doing good last night, right? Industrial as well is also good. Healthcare is also good. Talagang sabi ko, iwas kayo sa technology kasi tok-tok na siya, even energy. So, we actually made a very good decision yesterday for financial market, industrial, and healthcare as a play last night. So, let's check it out again tonight. Let's check on the current market conditions ng sectoral rotations. Okay, yeah. Alright, so everything's going down so far. What's actually above is your technology still, consumer discretionary still, and XLE still bouncing up. Say natin to. Let's go first for the technology. Technology is still above the market. Then maybe a bounce trade tonight for the technology may be considered tonight. If you have technology stocks, bounce trade tayo dyan. Next natin is healthcare. Tangin natin to SPS 500. Yan. Okay. Dikit sila ng market eh. For this one, we actually see, no, nasa medyo resistance tayo ng konti. I would, if you have trades with the healthcare sector, I would suggest to sell it some or bawas-bawas ng konti. Baka hindi to mag-pursue. Consumer discretionary is still above the market, trying to do some resting period. Okay, maybe hintayin natin pumunta dito ulit. Saka tayo mamili ng consumer discretionary companies. Okay. Industrial also, it's actually doing, honestly, parang napapansin ko next year, mga industrial stocks including transportation yung maaangat. It's doing a very long consolidation already. Ang laki, long consolidation na yan, no? Ang industrial. So maybe a good position for next year is industrial. Kung magkaroon ng breakout to. Si industrial companies. Mga companies within the industrial, no? Medyo mahaba yung consolidation niya. Kung mag-breakout. Cyclical, financial market. Financial market is also anticipation for the increased interest rates. Magbe-benefits at look at that uptrend so far. Maganda yung financial market. So if it's going sideways right now, yeah, no, that's a support. That's a clear support. So financial market may be considered and a buy point if it's going down further. So we're gonna check on that also. I'm also rooting for some play in the financial markets, financial sector, communication sector. Ang laki ng binagsakan ng communication ah. May babagsak pa to. Babagsak pa ang communication, huwag muna natin tingnan. Including Facebook. Facebook nagbadala niyan eh. Okay. Alright. So far, I can see some potential in the consumer discretionary. Not consumer discretionary. I think that's industrial and financial market tonight. And some bounce play from the technology stocks. Ayan, medyo playing tonight, I think. So, tingnan natin yan tomorrow. Monday. Okay? Pasilip mo na Luna. Tapos na tayo kay Luna eh. I think tapos na tayo kay Luna. Luna. Tapos na tayo dito, alam ko eh. Ayan, sabi ko lang kay Luna, wag nyong i-trade yung momentum niya kasi for me hindi siya sustainable. Okay, hindi siya sustainable. Sentiment is not with you. You are in between. It is creating. It depends kung i-break out niya to. Ibang usapan yan. Gumagawa siya ng higher low. Ako hindi ko iti-trade yung momentum na yan kasi the whole sentiment is not in the momentum. Okay, titingnan natin to. Honestly, pwede naman pero long example if your usual position is around $100, sample lang no. You try to momentum it mga $50, pwede. Pwede mo siya i-play pero yun nga mix ako hindi ko to gagalawin yung ganito itsura. Ay dito sustainable for me yung momentum niya. Look at the volume, the structure, the sentiment, lahat against you eh. So pababa lahat tapos ito umaangat. So what's causing it, right? So hindi siya sustainable. If you're gonna think about it, no? Yan. Okay, let's go to the stock market. Diretso tayo. So I was down last night. Paggising ko, sabi ko, uy, from 10 to bumagsak ng $300. What's happening? So far for this sport, I'm down by 10%. This is a trading account. I'm up down portfolio paper loss of around 10% by 10%. YTD I'm up 80%. So meaning kita pa rin ako at some point. So check natin ang mga market tonight. Ayan. Okay, check natin market. Ayan. Let's go to, I want to check one of my favorite place is Alibaba for now. One of my favorite dito. Okay, pa naman si Alibaba. Gumagawa pa din ng base, di pa siya tapos. Akala ko ba tapos ka na? Mag-reverse ka na eh. ACB is also one of my favorite play. Ano ba dito? Mga malalaki ko. TSM is also one. Let's check it out. Tingnan natin kung mag-sustain to. Parang tama ako kay TSM ha. Let's see kung puputok to. Okay. JD.com. Mabilis lang ha. JD.com also. That's good. Hopefully. Magtuloy-tuloy. Meli and Tencent. Meli and Tencent. Okay. Lahat naman green sa opening. Hopefully mag-sustain siya. Lahat mag-green naman yung position ko last night before I sleep. Nag-set order naman ako last night. Okay. Lahat naman going green. Good job. Okay. Say natin yan. Let's go to Neo. Okay naman ako dito. Neo. Okay. Yung nag-comment ito trade kay Neo. Nasa may Neo ba ako dito? Wala pala akong Neo. May Neo ba ako? Wala na pala akong Neo. Sa long term, meron ako pero nagkamali ako doon. Ikakatas ko to. Okay, si Neo, hindi pa siya totally... It actually bounced from the support. That's one kwento na gusto natin gawin sa kanya. That's one very, very good. On a weekly chart, it's bouncing on the moving average 100, which is a very, very good support. It haven't touched the moving average ever since, so that's why the buy point here is a very, very smart choice for Neo. Now, the question is right now on the whole week, will Neo sustain it? Now, that's the question natin. For now, since it's bounced from Monday to Thursday, where is it gonna go? Okay, it must hold this position here. If it's gonna break down on the level, we might see Neo going further, go back here or even here. So, very crucial tong point na to. Kailangan ma-hold na yan. Pag hindi, delikado. So, now, the silver lining there is this. If Neo will hold this and then nagkaroon ng bounce, that's an opportunity to buy. Because it is creating a possible symmetrical triangle. Nasa support ka, babagsak ba siya or magbe-break out? So far, yun ang itsura niyan. Babagsak pa din dito, magbabounce, then you buy. So far. If hindi, if babagsak siya dito, you buy. Ito yung mga choice mo for a trader. You're getting those supports, yung maliliit na yan, and those bounce trades for Neo. Now, on a perspective of an investor, Neo is not doing good. Neo is losing money in general. So, yun isa dito. 10:17, then give time on this. Kasi also, I made a wrong decision here because tingnan natin. Tingnan natin ang fundamentals ng konti nito. Hmm. Okay, tingnan natin so far. ACMR, ACB. Let's check it out, guys. Share your live na to, guys. No, we're not in our usual average. Okay, look at that. The net income and revenue is decreasing. Not yet in operating income is still slightly going, but not yet make money. Not yet making money. So one problem na mailabas yan is gonna go further deeper. Okay, the whole thing when it comes to the free cash flow and also the operating business is not doing good as well. And the debt is actually up and down in the past 3 years. So even the TTM, when it comes to its current value on its performance, we're not gonna use cash flow here, but we're gonna read it in a way na fair value lang, which is what Morningstar is giving us. It's trading considerably fairly value. So my point there is magkaroon ng maling news, isa to sa mga babagsakan. Okay, kaya sabi ko pag umangat na ng konti, I'm gonna sell mine. I'm gonna cut loss mine sa long-term port ko. Kasi I'm just trading following ito. Nakalimutan ko na sa... Alam mo yung long-term port ko na isa, yung popular invest ko. Hindi ko na ginagalaw masyado. As in, bumibili na ako doon, piniwan ko na. Mas active ako sa capital building. Ayusin ko yung port na yun next year. ACB. Okay, let's go to ACB. Okay, ACB. Alright. ACB is a very, very good play as well. On the weekly chart, it's actually near the low. Or it's actually near the buying range. It's actually holding a strength on the momentum, holding a price momentum there on a buy range on the weekly chart. So it's almost near the all-time low. So that's one that I want to bottom pick for this. That's why until January, if it's not gonna perform until January, maybe I'm gonna cut loss everything kung magkano man yan, how much it will be. I'm willing to lose as much. Pero anyway, pag ito pumatong naman to ng mga losses na mga 2%, 3%, magkakat na ako mga 1%, 1%. Every sobra siya ng portfolio, kakat ko 1%. So, hindi ko siya hayaan i-drill down yung buong port ko. But, I have until January on ACB. That's my play there. I have my own reasons. Elite Club is one. Elite Club. Okay, yan, there. Kasi pumutok na ACB ko, mga 15,000 na kinita ko, hindi ko lang binenta eh. ACMR, Produce Manufacturing Industrial Machine. You are in the right sector. You are in the near price. That's a very, very good pick. Okay, let's check lang the price action on the 4-hour chart. We want to see a retest below this level here or a breakout at that level. So because you are near the support, maybe you are in a higher probability trade. So right sector ka, right ka na, tingnan natin kung saan siya mauna, dito ba sa baba or sa taas. Ang position niya ngayon nasa gitna. So I would not suggest buying it at the opening. Tingnan muna natin yung price action sa 4-hour chart. Just do a support resistance. Once the breakout, buy. Once the support, try to buy for this one. So, maganda yung position niya. Okay. Ano ba dito tingnan ko? Kasi natin si Melly. Okay. Okay, nag-play ako kay Melly last night. I actually set an order here. So, because the gap. So, hopefully, I'm right. So, nag-set order ako last night here. It was a set order. Set order play to. I have my set order kasi dito. Anyway, sige na lang. So, hopefully, yeah, nag-bounce na siya of 1%, 2%. So, I'm up 1%, 5%. At least up na to kagad pag angat niya, no? So, that's a good play. Range play lang ako doon, no? Gimea. Another company that is not making money. Okay. Alright. Alam na yan, latak na yan, guys, eh. Ito mga ganyang itsura. Latak na yan for me. Wala na to. Everything's down. Everything's super bearish. Look at this. Okay? A top from the bottom that is actually decreasing 84% is quadruple bear market. Okay? Walang base. Matagal. Latak na to. Okay, see. Pero let's chart it out still. Let's go to the weekly chart. Yan. Nag-momentum, possible play, on a bounce play. That's a good play. The previous resistance is here. Okay, let's check this one. Oh, yung nasa resistance ka. So, it's not a buy. It's not a buy definitely. Okay, potentially, ibalik, merong gap na iniwan pa dito. Oh, dito ka mag-abang ngayon. Yan, sa gap na iniwan. Pero di pa to tapos eh. Ah, tapos na. Wait lang, atin natin. Atin close yung gap. Hindi pa. Hindi, mga dito. Laking gap na iniwan yan, no? So, iwan niya mga dito. Buy point dito yan kay Jimmy. Wala pa. Okay? Lemonade. Lemonade Finance, Property Casualty Insurance. Okay, mga IPO. Tingnan natin ang Lemonade. I'm also concerned with this one. Okay. Kaya if you're an alumni with masterclass, attendan nyo yung next year na batch. Okay, attendan nyo yung current na batch. Hilaw pa yon, hilaw pa yung turo ko doon. But we have already new modules for financial reading. Discount cash flow method. Andiyan na tayo. We're trying to be an expert in terms of reading the market in the financial side, balancing it for long-term investing ng mga company. So that's one that we are improving a lot in the masterclass. Kompleto tayo technicals eh. We already know where the market's going, price structure is going. Let's deep dive. Yun yung gusto ng masterclass ngayon. Let's deep dive to the business of each stock, to the business of the global market, and look for those good companies that we can play on. We can be confident placing our trades on. Yun yung gusto kong, yun ang vision ko for now. So that's why ngayon, reading these things, making it more easier for me to understand. So, okay, not good. Wala pang EBITDA na sinasabi kasi hindi pa siya tumikita. Revenue is flat. No? Okay. Bakit ko siya tiningnan? The question. The good thing about insurance companies is that they're always protected by inflation. Right now, the US market is a what do you call that? Is in an inflationary dependent. So the good thing about it is real estate and insurance companies are inflation protected. So maganda rin maglagay ng mga insurance company on your port, but companies that actually making money. Okay, yun siya. And kaya tingnan ko Lemonade. Oh, parang kilala ko bagong IPO lang to last year eh. So, but it's severely downtrend. What's happening? Is it emotional selling or is it because they're not making money? That's my point, di ba? Tingnan mo yan, ha? IPO, umangat. Okay, umangat. One missed. Surprise. One missed. Revenue. Ganda ng revenue, di ba? Green. Pero if you're not gonna drill, and what you call, if you're gonna deep dive what's happening in the financial report, what's happening with the company, di ba? Mga good news, oh. Di ba? Ang nag-glance, wow, good news. They beat the surprise. But why is it declining? That's the key word na dapat alamin natin. So, and look at the structure. Very healthy yung bagbagsak. So, people wanted to go out. So, ngayon, nasa all-time low siya. Tradable. Okay. Long term, I don't know. Okay. I doubt on the long term. Tradable siya ngayon. So, pwedeng entran to. Again, on a 4-hour chart, magkuha mo na magandang presyo. Another support here. Maybe here. Ang papasok ng ganito. So, yun yung gusto nating gawin. Yun yung gusto nating gawin. For us to, kasi, here's my part, no? Ito, I'm just gonna give you like a glance on the story, no? During the pandemic, I was shorting too much. So, actually, I grow my money that time. Yung isa kong account, I'm gonna turn it on, ha? Ngayon ko lang po share sa inyo, pero this is an expiring story for me. During my US market, since aside from eToro came, aside from this live, this is my story during the pandemic. So in the past 2 years, I grow my small amount to 1 million in general. So using those things, so I have 2 port already, 2 gold. So ito, this is, wala akong pakialam, naka-position lang siya. Hindi ko masyadong re-rebalance all throughout. Bahala sa buhay nyo dyan. Mag-negative siya, okay lang ako. Ikakatlos ko yung mga pangit na companies dito, i-rebalance ko to and restructure ko siya. Hindi ko masyadong ginagalaw. Ito yung actively trading. So ito, pag kumikita to, the following year, yung before na account ko, nililipat ko dito sa kabila. Nililipat ko yung bronze, it was bronze then, short ng short kita, lipat sa long term. So why not, sabi ko, why not I build a port na i-grow ko siya trading year by year. So para I can check the story behind the experience to my audience, the losses, the cut loss, everything. Anong pwede kong maging improvement. So I decided to start it last August. So I actually deposited around $900 2020. Wala na akong dineposit after. But look at the equity curve. Wala na akong dineposit after 200. Wala na nga. So wala na. Panay staking na yan after na yan. So it was started around $4,000, no, $3,000. Yan, pinaka-start, 3,000, 3,600. So ang gusto ko mangyari dito is I'm gonna grow it, compound it in a way, analyze the market with different conditions, and trade it with confidence. No? Iba-ibang approach. Okay, example, last year, ito yung gusto kong ikwento sa inyo guys. No? Ito yung maganda kasi sa Elite Club. We're analyzing the market. Where's the market going? Okay. Yan na. On the very, very zoom out perspective. Okay, so ito yung kwento. Okay? Ito yung maganda. That's why the Elite Club is actually investing to informations because we wanted to get ahead of the market. Hindi lang technicals. Okay, technical support, resistance, every support can break down if there's a reason for it to break down. That's one thing. Every support, every all-time low can go to all-time low even more, like SLP, if there's a reason behind it. And that's where the Elite Club wanted to invest with. What are the millionaires are thinking? What are in US who actually money makers are doing in general? So here's my insight. It's 10:30. It's before the market opens. This is the pandemic. Okay, this is the pandemic. We actually traded the pandemic. Sabay-sabay tayo. It was around 2009 here. Okay, I was shorting that time. So nag-short ako. I really earn a lot, 50,000 a day. Tesla times 20. eToro may times 20 pa yan before, if you can remember. Sino nakaabot nun, guys? Si eToro may times 20. So kung naabutan mo yun, sarap, di ba? Sa stocks ha. Sa stocks yun. Sa mga gold, sa times 100, meron. Times 1,000, meron. Sa Forex, times 2,000. Merong ganung leverage. Sa oil, nag-drop to zero. I traded that. I earned a lot from that. No. Now, my point here is this one. The market is already in super momentum. You cannot look for momentum plays already. You cannot look for companies, okay, for companies who does not make money and buy them at the support. Kasi they can stay at the support with no sentiment. Why? Hindi nga kumikita ng pera eh. Sino mag-invest dyan? Technicals lang. Bounce. This extended market is driven by few things. Fueled by few things. Companies who are actually making money, undervalue companies who are making money. Kung mag-crash yan, here's my point. Kung mag-crash ulit to, malapit na yon, mag-crash, mag-correct. Okay, that's the term. Sino tingin mo unang bibilin? Speculation or companies who are making money? Overextended na eh. Ulitin ko. Super extended. If it's too super extended, people will tend to sell. Extended siya in a way. Why? Fed is giving a lot of money. Fed is giving free money. The economy wants to stimulate the economy by the Federal Reserve, and they still wanted to do that until next year. So this can be super extended, but if they taper down, magpo-pause to, di ba? The question is, pag nag-pause yan, magpa-panic sell. because it's fueled by free money. Pag nag-fuel by, yung mga investors dyan, madamay lahat ng magagandang companies. The question, anong magandang company yung bibilin una? Anong magandang company yung bibilin una? Yung mga speculations? Yung mga may project daw ng ganito ganyan pero wala pa namang nangyayari? Nag-euphoria? Or who actually good companies who are super undervalued, still have a lot of growth for the next few years, and you are secured that they're gonna make money despite this massive correction. Despite that massive correction, you are secured that they're gonna make money despite that massive correction. And that's where the informations will come in. That's where your research will come in. That's where the edge will come in. That's where your technicals and sentiment analysis will come in. And that's what we are preparing of. That's where the Elite Club is built from its foundation for the US market. Because we wanted to grow this money. I want to grow my total port right now in general to grow it even further. Diba? Hindi lang trade. Hindi lang ganyan na zigzag-zigzag. Relax trading na lang. Relax katulad nito. I'm developing my technique in Forex market. I don't need to wait for the market up and down, mag-aabang ako and look for my trades. I wait for the trade to come to me and execute it. December 17, December 17 after 10 days I earned 30,000. I open another account. I put 500,000. I saw the opportunity. 2 days ago I earned 35,000 in only 9 trades. So yun yung magandang ano ngayon, nire-relax mo na lang kasi you have the information. You have the technology, you have the edge, and that's where the Elite Club comes in. So, honestly, hindi ko binibenta Elite Club, but I'm so really grateful for the whole team for that. Okay, let's open the market. The market is open. I'm back by 10.8. Yay! Okay, I'm back to 10,000. At least sumubas ng 100,000 kanina. Check natin ano yung umangat. Sam, Boston Beer, and all. Okay, let's go PayPal. Let's go to Hood. Yan. Let's go to Hood, Technicals. Look at this. Ito sinasabi ko. Ito pa sinasabi ko, guys. Oh. Look at that. After, ito sinasabi ko. We're not sure what's happening with Robinhood, but it was actually trading the all-time low. But tingnan mo siya ngayon, no? Nagsasubside pa. You will never know where the bottom is. But if you're confident that Robinhood will make money, sasaluhin mo yan. Ang problem, di natin alam kung if they're making money or not. Yun yung point ko, di ba? Like example, ito, all-time low. Sinalo mo, 2 retest dito. Bumagsak pa ng todo, ilang percent? Sakit yan. 40% further. Saan ulit yung next support? Dito, sinalo mo ulit. Support, 2. Sinalo mo ulit. Tapos wala kang other data. Bakal ka naman 25. So, okay. So, technicals are, for me, right now, technicals is just underrated na siya. Kailangan kompleto na. Kailangan mas advanced ka na. Okay, now, technically, pwede na siyang bilhin ngayon. Technically, I can see some divergence happening there. We are chasing this one almost, hindi pa pala totally. Di pa siya tapos. Di pa to tapos, kawawa naman tong si Hood. Nangyari dito, so kawawa naman to. Robin Hood. Pata mo na earnings report niyan, wala pa eh. Nangyari dito. Yan. Pero masarap mag-aabang ako. Gagawa ko ng isang port pang shorting. Pag yung sinishare ko kagabi, aabangan ko yung mag-short ako ng todo. Hahanapin ko yung mga overvalue companies, yung mga alam mo yung ito. Katulad dito, guys. Okay. Ano ba to? Docu. Yan, di ba? Ayan, bumagsak ng todo. Yan mga hanapin ko sa correction period. Yung mga yung pag-open mo dito sa reverse, biglang boom, opening 34% up ka na sa shorting. Ayan, papakita ko lang sa mga possible mag-drop. Tesla, mabagsak yan. Sabihin ko na sa inyo. Mga nare-research ko ngayon, babagsak yan. Mag-gap down yan pag nag-correction ng todo. Ano pa ba? Tapos ito si Zoom. Yung mga Zoom, ito, katulad yan. Diba? Kita mag-drop down na ganyan. Yan, bakit may rason yan? Bakit ganyan itsura niyan? Diba? So, yun yung masarap i-short sa guys, sa correction period. Malapit na yun. Okay. This one. PayPal. Okay, for PayPal, Di pa to tapos eh. Distributory mode pa siya. More into the bounce trade pa talaga to si PayPal. Tsura niya oh. Ang tulis nung ano eh, nung structure. Gusto talagang nagmamadaling lumabas yung mga tao, yung mga shareholder. So, pinapabayaan bumili sa support tapos bubuhusan. Ganun yung structure niya. So, ngayon for PayPal, not too much pa. Hindi pa so masyado for PayPal. Alam mo mga gusto yung bilhin, bigyan ko kayo sa Visa. O, tingnan mo. Nag-drop down pero umangat, no? May mga gap down yan pero inangat. Di ba? Isa to sa mga magagandang bilhin nung time dito. I miss that. Personally, I miss that. So, yun ang hinahanap ng club ngayon. Ano yung mga ganito na there are two companies who will drop farther or drop and bounce. So, yun yung gusto natin hanapin. Okay. Baby Dodgy. Tingnan natin si Baby Dodgy. Mamaya si Baby Dodgy. Baby Dodgy. Ano pa to? Ay, wala na to. Latak yung crypto. For now, wala pa sir. Talagang downtrend pa mga crypto ngayon. So, not a good position pa to buy the, kala ko stock market eh. 9:30 yung stock market natin. So, tapos na tayo sa crypto. Stock muna tayo. Ayan. Okay, Asan. Okay, Asan. Ayan, sinabi ko kay Asan. Meron akong structure kay Asan. Baka mo na lang dito. Medyo ilalim na si Asan eh. If mag-bounce dun sa support ulit niya, yung napakalakas sa support niya, then saka natin kunin si Asan. So, for now, wala pa. Wala pa tayong gagawin dyan. INTC. INTC is relatively okay. Relatively okay si INTC. I have my position to INTC. It's a trade. It's a trade for INTC. Hopefully mag-bounce si INTC dyan. Ano siya, mga trade din ako mali, itong plug. Nag-set order ako for a support sectoral play. Nasa buy position ako ngayon. So, masyadong maaga yung pasok ko for this one. Pag bumigay ito, ka-atlas ako. So, naka-sectoral play ako dito kay plug sa kanya. Pero down pa rin ako, 120. Masyadong maaga yung pasok ko. Pero hopefully mag-angat. MRS. Process Chemical Specialty. Okay, yep, there you go. Support level is here. Wala pa to, hindi pa to masyado din. Nasa near resistance ka. Kaka-bounce lang niya, kaka-replace niya. So, wala pa, hindi pa siya totally a buy. We can consider this if magkaroon ulit ng support dito. Or mag-breakout sa dyan, tapos kumuha ng support dito, gumawa doon. So, dito yung buha natin. So, wala pa tayong gagawin ngayon sa kanya. Si Blue. Ito yung sabi ko. Ito yung sasabi ko rin guys, no? Ito initially, actually, if you can remember, binili natin to I think here on this breakout. Tapos we hold it, tapos binenta natin dito. Tapos binenta ko yung half, talo pa ako dun sa half. Kasi pag open niya, binagsak. Diba? Kinlose the gap lang, no? Tapos binagsak. So yung kinita ko dito, nag-close the half ako, binalik lang sa market yung kinita ko. So for blue, wala pa. Hindi rin maganda itsura niya. Check natin ang weekly chart. Especially it's biotech, no? Mga biotech, mga piece of pet. All-time low. Mga bagsak ng todo, no? Sakit. Okay, actually maganda sa kanya, nagbi-build na siya ng divergence. We just wanted to make sure na magkaroon siya ng green candle in the next few days. So, sa weekly chart, it's getting strong. We're actually near the bottom. We just don't know where the bottom is. Pwede na tong laruin. Tingnan natin kung malalaro natin to. Possible ito yung ito yung pinaka-bottom. Wala na akong makita. Possible. Ito yung minor bottom. Check natin minor. Ito pwede pala. Pwede pala itong laruin. Tingnan natin sa 1-hour chart. Sige nga, maka-play nga nito. Test buy tayo. Konti lang risk nito eh. Test bottom 250. Risk natin dito is 3%. 3% risk, 4%. 4% times 5, 20%. 20% down, 20%, 120, 150 pwede na. Okay, ayan, bounce play. Bilis lang. Asan yun? Asan yung binili ko? Ayun, dito pala. Asan yun? Ayun. Ito ba? 20% of this is how much? $30? O, $30. Yan. Para okay tayo. Pwede to play to. 3%. I can see some good play here. This is what I like. Ito yung mga play na gusto ko. TP lang tayo siguro dito. 3% risk natin. Pwede siguro tayo dito lang. Kuha na tayo dito ng mga, wag na natin tong hintayin umangat. See? Pwede, tingnan natin. Nasa ilalim naman eh. Okay. So, this is a good play as well. Bounce play lang. Maganda naman yung setup. Low volume naman na siya sa ilalim. Sa weekly chart, maganda rin siya. So, very good play. Merc, MRK. Uy, meron ako nito Fundamental play to eh. May naka-fundamental play ako dito Catalyst play. So, this one, si Merc, actually raging doon the 200 level siya. We can expect a volatility about to happen here. Okay. Again, ulitin ko, for pharma, don't chase it. Kukunin mo sila sa pinakailalim. So, nasa ilalim tayo ngayon. Kaya maganda yung posisyon natin for Merc. Yun maganda sa kanya. Nakaposisyon ako dyan because the risk and reward is very high. Tapos may catalyst from the Elite Club. Yung mga Elite Club members, huwag nyo na ipa-chart. Pag nasa Elite Club, huwag nyo na ipa-chart, guys. Para sayang yung information dun eh. Okay, blue. Okay, Melly. Ano pa ba? Apple. Uy, lakas yung Apple 81% up from the top. Okay, about to correct. Wag na po. Wag na nating habulin to. Nakakita na ako ng TP area na dyan. Di na yan. Fundamentally, I think this is fairly valued si Apple. So, wala tayong gagawin dyan. Elite Club members, huwag nyo na ipa-chart yung mga nandun sa Elite Club. Huwag nyo na ipa-chart dito. Gawa na tayo ng special session natin sa once a week na tayo lang. Yan. Para yung mga stock na pick natin, i-chart natin together. Visa, not a good buy now. Better to, hantayin natin ng magandang posisyon. Pangalan nung ano ko? Royalty free music. By the way, guys, before I continue, si Izanagi, guys, so it's around, ganda na Izanagi, guys. Yan, no? Izanagi is already 276% this year. Laki pala ng profit nito. Anong 276? Ang galing yun. Anyway, 71 lang nga alam ko eh. 276% for Izanagi this year. 2 slots left for this year. 2 slots, I think. Sabi ni admin, 2 slots na lang yata. This is a free robot for you guys. 2 slots left na lang to. If you wanted to diversify in the robot trading, dalawa na lang po ang naiiwang libre. 2 slots to go. This is the performance of Izanagi. I put 75,000. This year, it gave me 200,000 in profits. Automated. This is the monthly earnings for Izanagi. Monthly earnings in Izanagi is giving consistently around 20,000 per month. Purely automated. No, that's, ayaw mo nun? Automated. Diba? Ayaw mo nun? Kung ayaw mo nun, ako gusto ko. Okay. Diba? So, I'm gonna give you the link below for Izanagi. And also, we actually together launched this during sa public. Nilagyan natin sa public. We actually, the public, sabay-sabay nag-July. So, 6 months. So, the public from July 9 to December onwards is around 64%. So, sinong PI, popular investor, bibigay sa'yo ng ganyang kalaking percentage ngayon sa stock market? That's what I'm talking about to diversify. No? Di ba? Kahit gaano kalaki yan, pero at least this is robot trading. So, yun yung maganda sa kanya. And that's Izanagi. Isa yan. So, yan ang ano natin, guys. Okay. What's happening with the market? Ang pangit ng market talaga yun. Nag-ayaw talaga. Binabagsak ni market ang sentiment. Yun natin. Asa resistance talaga kasi, Anyway. V. Okay, tapos na tayo dyan. Mastercard. Tingnan rin ang Finvis. Market is actually selling off talaga ta. Pag opening siya. Okay. Tingnan natin ng green ng market. Honestly, parang ang market is tahimik lang. Green sa lahat pero hindi ganun kaberde. Oracle, 17%. Technology, Oracle. 70% up. Wow. Tingnan natin ang Oracle. Oracle Corporation. Wow. 17% up. Oracle. Because of the earnings report. No, earnings report. See? Yun ang maganda dyan. If you actually know those companies that is trading under value, you can expect a volatility like that. No, yung makita mo sila. And it's not all the time. Support ang Oracle, technology din. 17%. Lakas na. Microsoft, Adobe, semiconductors. Lakas sa semiconductors. Avgo. Ano pa to? Avgo. Lakas 19%. Broadcom. Ganda rin ng volume in the past few days because of earnings report. Nakaka-emotional sila. Mga ganyan, sarap. Pag, yun nga lang, make or break minsan yung mga nagme-make or break pag yung earnings report is either a good report, sell off, or a good report, bump up, no? Tingnan natin. Bigyan natin ng isang example. Gawa tayo isang example. Ito. Tingnan mo yung angat nito, nag-consolidate, nag-momentum. Tingnan natin previously, ano yung fair value lang, kahit fair value lang muna. Wag na intrinsic. 46, ito matindi dyan. Fair value, 500. Tapos pinutok pa ng todo. May play na ginagawa na lang sila. Sobra, no? Hindi overvalue na to. Magkamali ng misreport yan. Bagsak din todo. Pero tingnan mo, inangat ng todo. Wow! So very, very good buy point there. Pero ayoko naman ganyan eh. Babalik yan eh. Tingnan natin SPX 500 daw according to Bibs Land. Okay. We're actually waiting for a breakout for SPX 500. Right now, hindi. Wala eh. Actually, nagko-consolidate pa nga siya. Nasa resistance pa siya. So, it's not a buy. It's not yet a sell or a buy. We just need to wait for the SPX 500. If in terms of shorting, pwede, pero hanggang dito lang. Ang masyadong i-short. Sa trading part. Ang nakakatakot lang dito kasi baka ganyan it's bilang iangat. So, medyo optimistic kasi yung tingin ko sa kanya sa ngayon. Okay? Yan. Tingnan natin to. Sam. Eto, naghintay ako na another position for Sam. Ay, baba eh. V, Merck. Tapos na tayo dyan, Apple. Tingnan natin yung mga blue chips. Overextended na rin to eh. Amazon, overextended na rin. Amazon, overextended. Sideways market. Facebook, overextended na rin. Ang pangat ng Facebook, guys. Benta siguro muna ako sa kabila. Benta muna ako dito, boys. Docu. Bumabagsak yung Docu. Ganda pa naman sa loko dyan sa ilalim. Cash out muna, cash out. Okay, we're actually waiting for yan, DocuSign. Buti na ibenta ko na yung Docu ko. Kasi di pa siya, feeling ko di pa kasi tapos to eh. Si Docu gumawa ng base. Pero it's nearly there. It's nearly going there. Si Docu. Yum Brands. Okay. Sorry. Ara. Avis. Ang dami, no? ATVI. Kailangan natin hanapin yung mga yun. Kailangan natin pagtulungan, guys. ATVI, merong iniwan. What's happening with ATVI? Deep dive ko nga to. Visa, Vertex, VRTX. Uy, Vertex, ang ganda. Oh, ito watch list nyo na to guys. Blue chips din, no? Trading above MA 200 na. After subsiding from a very, very pangit. Trading above 200. So, something that we need to look into together. Aralin natin yan. Pero for now, magbebenta muna ako sa aking mga companies. Wala akong makita dito. Okay naman ito, Amazon. Bibili na natin yung sa iba. Hindi natin mga airlines. What's happening with airlines? Turnaround play to eh. Di rin ang mga airlines pa, di pa tapos eh. Pero nasa support ng airlines eh. Gustong iangat pero di kulang yung puwersa ng buong mundo. At ito AMC. Pangit ang AMC. Walang yan. Ka-atlas ako dito siguro. Small cap. Ano mga small cap ETF ko? Ano small cap ETF guys? Alright. Okay. Yan dito. Financial, monthly report, trading syllabus. Okay. What else do we need to check? Tingin tayo ng mga financial market tops. NKE. Shopify. Ito, bumagsak din ng todo eh. Donut. Okay. Yan. Ito, opportunity to. Hanap tayo opportunity dito. Naabangan ko rin itong donut eh. Ganda rin ng donut eh. No? Ganda rin ng ano niya. Tingnan natin kung may nagbago. Let's check it out. Donut. Okay. ONL. Okay, let's check out ONL. Ano yung ONL na yan? Real estate. Okay naman. Okay tong real estate. Check mo lang bakit. Ano sila. Pag real estate, may financial ratio na ginagamit to eh. Yeah. Technically, it's actually building a base. Okay, abangan mo na to. Batayin watch list ng mga real estate. Papaturo kay Regina dito. Ito. Real estate. Tanggalin ko itong momentum na to. Yan. Lagay ko to sa aking watch list. What's the name? Ano to? ONL. Okay, mga USRT. Tingnan mo yung USRT guys. Uptrend yung USRT. Expecting for the Fed hike. So, tingnan natin yung magkano. So, abangan ko rin mga yan. Ano tayo mga ganda? Ito, pwede to trade to. Tradable. Tayo mo na mag-breakout, sir. May dividends ka pa, no? Pag nag-real estate ka, bumubuo naman na siya ng bumubuo na siya ng higher lows. So, kung bumagsak sa dyan, dito mo kunin ulit. Tingnan natin. Okay? JD. Okay. Alright, there you go. Alright, so it's 10:56. Let's have a review. Ang nabili ko lang is Bluebird. Nakatos pa yata. Nakatos ba Bluebird? Wala no? Tingnan natin yung Bluebird. Bumagsak pa ng todo si Bluebird, guys. Tatamaan yata katos natin dun check natin ang volatility ni Bluebird. Biotech kasi. Pag biotech talaga, pangit. Asan yung bluebird natin? Wala pa, no? Nakat? Wala pa naman, di pa. Huwag lang tamaan yung, ito pala, $19, okay pa. Check ko si Melly. Melly is, medyo, ano pa talaga si Melly, no? XPX 500. Tingnan natin. Wala mga Chido replays eh. Yung ayoko nito eh. Tingnan ko nga itong ibang chart natin. So makita yung iba eh. Pangalan ng ano? LK. Talaga eh, no? Stag. Tingnan natin, tok-tok talaga eh. Stag, Financial Estate Trust. Ayan oh, ganda oh. Ganda ng trend niya oh. Alright, check natin to. Ito yung mga dapat tinitingnan nyo. So for now, wala pa tayo nakikitang buy point on the chart. Maybe tingnan na muna natin itong mag-consolidate ng konti or mag-pull back at this range. Weekly chart. So overextended na siya, but this is something that we need to check. Okay, another play here is kung magka-breakout. So wala, hindi siya buy point today, but titingnan din natin siya as it goes further. So bumubuo siya dito. If magkaroon ng breakout, pwede natin bilhin. Pero ngayon, wala muna. Hindi muna natin siya anuhin. May rason din to ba't umaangat? From the mismong sa sector and mismong the Fed hike. Yung mayroon rason sa Fed hike niyan. Kaya maganda. So, ito yung mga buy areas ito. If mag-breakout dyan, bili. Kung bumalik yan dito, initial buy ka na. Dito area na to, around these levels. Mag-start ka na mamili for this one. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. Sana mag-bounce ng konti si Neo para ma-let go ko to. Ayoko na ni Neo eh. Alright, so let me have a review on my port. Mali yung aking na bombahan pero it's still good naman. Gusto ko i-bombahan to si Sam pero ang ina-expect ko si Melly yung babag-aangat. Pero si Sam yung maganda itsura. Si Melly din nagsasubside sa lower time frame. Parang gusto ibalik sa baba. Anyway, hindi pa ako tapos kay dito pala. Dito. Okay, net income. Hindi pa siya kumikita. Cash flow. Pangat din ng cash flow pa. Hindi rin mo siya maganda. Liabilities and all. Total debt. Okay pa naman. Wala pa, hindi pa. Honestly, tinitingnan ko din si Donut, pero alangan pa ako ng konti sa kanya kaya magalaw. Kaya magalaw pa siya. Nilulook ko yung in terms of the trend ni Donut, medyo okay na siya eh. Trading above MA50. Okay, creating a higher low, di ba? Maganda yung trend na siya eh. May uptrend na nangyayari. Wala na siya sa downtrend. Gusto ko na lang makita na stable to bago siya totally bilhin. So, may potential na i-trend follow. May potential to i-trend follow. Si Donut. May sector din siya na backup. So, very good naman siya. Gusto na natin makita. Alibaba, what's happening with Alibaba? Red ka ba? Okay, good. Green ka, buti na lang. Grabe yung sumalo kami sa Elite Club nito. Oh. Sarap ng salo namin, mga 10%, 20% yung angat na yan. For Elite Club. Okay, so it's 11 o'clock in the evening. Let me check. Please go to our website. Izanagi is already 2 slots before we close the book for this year. Inaantay na namin. Actually, our guy is installing right now. Look at this. I actually have a client open ₱1 million on Izanagi. Look at that. Kailan siya nag-open, guys? Oh, lupit to. This is my 2 clients here. Nag-open siya July 23. Boom! Oh, almost 50,000 automated, doing nothing. Diba? Doing nothing sa kanya, no? Almost ng mga 10,000 isang buwan siya. Tapos another one na settings, in-open niya, yung talagang pure na 1 million. Ayan, sarap. Pure na 1 million ang nilagay. O, di per day niya, magkano? 30,000 pesos per day. O, 2,000 pesos per day. Sarap, no? Robot na nagpapatakbo sa kanya. The earnings niya, mabagal pa yung market nga ngayon, mga 20,000 isang buwan. 2% per month. Sarap, no? Imagine mo, lagay ka 1 million, risk mo is controlled. Kasi 1 million nilagay mo eh. Kahit 2% per month, okay ka na. Diba? 20,000 isang buwan. For out 1 million pesos, no? Sarap. Kung ganyan yung gagawin mo, di okay. 24% a year, that's 240. What if it will give you more? 50% 500, no? Wala, hindi ka na nag-analyze sa market. Boring na lang siya, yun lang. Napabore ka na lang. And that's Izanagi, guys. That's Izanagi. And actually, one thing that we're actually doing is integrating the formula of Izanagi to manual trades. So, ini-integrate namin yung algorithm ni Izanagi to our advantage. Okay, to our advantage that we're gonna release by next year. So, I'm actually currently testing it out personally on my trading. Checking my statistics. So far I'm good with 31 trades. Very good yung profitability. Earnings is good. Led me 220% this November. Testing another strategy just recently. Yun nga, yung 100% using Izanagi. So very very good product, very very good robot. Please experience it. Please test it out. 2 slots to go. And last but not the least, we're gonna close the masterclass, no? Masterclass natin. My masterclass personally is teaching you the proper way of foundation in the market. So, alam mo yun, yung proper way na you cannot just watch it on YouTube. Watching YouTube is so boring, okay? Yung mga ganun siya. But taking the masterclass, guys, next year na yan, please, no? Please check it out on my website as well. Habol yung course while you're on your break, watch the pre-videos. Then next year, live ka ulit, libre. 2 beses ka magma-masterclass with only 1 payment. So check it out, inquire to our page what is the masterclass na meron tayo. Also, yan, let's beat the market with confidence. Despite I'm down by 10%, I'm still up by 80% in general. So I'm confident I'm gonna close the year strong. I'm confident especially for next year. Kahit mahirap yung market next year, it's another way to challenge everyone. So I'm gonna see you on Monday again for our live trading again. Please do check the live. Please do check it out. Thank you so much for tonight. Thank you so much for giving us time. And God bless and have a weekend. Bye, guys. Woohoo! Shout out.